Hello, my name is Yaroslav, and I'm from Intelligent Lectern Systems at InfoComm 2024. So I want to introduce here the product. It's Intelligent Lectern Synergy QC. So this lectern has integrated touchscreen and computer, so that you can run your presentations from it. This is a modular and customizable system. As you can see, there are different cutouts in the top. That's where you have connectivity, light, and some functions. Also, it has a side table where you can present from your laptop, and the laptop has the connectivity, the power socket, and some video connectors on the side. Since this system is on the cabinet, it has some functions like a keyboard tray with a little keyboard for typing, also some storage compartment, for example, for the mini PC and some extra connectivity. Another compartment for the half-rack devices. In this case, it has a Dell Micro PC that is running the presentation. These lecterns are customizable. They can have logo engravings in the front, and that's about it.
Website.
And you can visit us at intelligentlecterns.com to get more information.